Here's how to add a foreign key relationship to a table in Fabricate. I have a users table with an ID and a blog post table with its own ID, but I want to tie each blog post to a user. To do that, click Add a Column, type the name of your column like user ID, and if the column name ends with an ID, it'll automatically pick the foreign key generator. If not, you could pick it yourself. Select the table to reference and the column to reference. In this case, it automatically picked the correct choices, and then hit save. Now it's pulling in a random user ID for each blog post record. If you want, for example, to ensure that there's at least one blog post for every user, or maybe between 1 and 5 blog posts for every user, we can go and edit the settings for our foreign key and click this box that says base the number of rows in this table on this foreign key relationship. Then we can define a cardinality. In this case, the default is a uniform distribution of between 1 and 5 records in the blog post table for each user. We could also change that to, for example, a normal distribution, so a mean of 5 records with a standard deviation of 2 for each user. Or if we wanted a one-to-one relationship, we could go to fixed and say exactly how many blog posts to generate for each user. But let's use the defaults, which is normal. Apply changes. And now you can see the row setting for this table changed to between 1 and 5x times the user ID. So for each user, we get a number of blog posts between 1 and 5.